Face the heat. Understanding idiomatic expressions in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unpack the meaning of the phrase, face the heat. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you insight into English-speaking cultures. So, let's dive in. Face the heat is an idiomatic expression that means to deal with intense scrutiny or criticism. When someone is facing the heat, they are in a situation where they must confront difficult circumstances, often under the watchful eye of others. It's similar to being in the hot seat or under the microscope. The phrase, face the heat, likely originates from the physical discomfort one feels when standing close to a fire or during sweltering weather. It reflects the idea of enduring a challenging or stressful situation without retreating. Let's look at how to incorporate this phrase into your daily conversation. For example, the new CEO had to face the heat from investors after the company's stock price dropped. During the debate, the candidate faced the heat for her policy choices. Understanding idioms like face the heat can provide deeper cultural insights. This phrase is often used in contexts such as sports, politics, and business, where pressure and high stakes are common. Learning idioms can be tricky, but it's essential for language fluency. Here are some tips. Listen to native speakers and note how they use idioms. Practice by creating your own sentences with the idioms you learn. Read widely in English to see idioms used in different contexts. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, face the heat, and its usage in English. Remember, idioms are a vital part of language learning and can be quite fun to learn. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to face the heat in your language learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!